Hello, my name is Singh Yatender, and we are here going to examine the all 12 cranial nerves. So we should start with cranial nerve 1. Cranial nerve 1. Cranial nerve 1 is a olfactory nerve and sense the smell. So for test of this, we should presenting the patient with familial odors. The substance should not be irritating. Firstly, make sure that nasal passage is patent by compressing one side nose and ask patient to sniff through other. Now ask the patient to close both eyes, occlude one nostril and test smell in other with substance like cloves, coffee, soap or vanilla.
Copy.
Ask patient to identify the odors.
Copy. Copy.
Now cranial nerve 2. Now we are going to test cranial nerve 2 or optic nerve, that is for visual acuity. Firstly, test for visual fields. For confrontation, test each eye separately. Now we are going to test cranial nerve 2 and 3 together, the optic nerve and oculomotor. These nerves are important for pupillary constriction, conversion and accommodation. Check the size of pupil also. Now we are going to examine the cranial nerve 3, 4 and 6. The oculomotor, trochlear and absence nerve are important for extraocular movement in any of 6 directions. Look for loss of movement in any direction. Check for nystagmus in involuntary jerking movement of eye and look for ptosis because of cranial nerve 3 palsy. Now we are going to check for cranial nerve 5 or trigeminal nerve. This nerve have both motor and sensory functions. For motor function, ask the patient to clench the teeth and note the strength of muscle contraction. Ask patient to move jaw side by side and open the jaw. Now we are going to examine the sensory function for this. Explain the patient that we are going to check pain sensation in forehead, cheeks and chin. Ask patient to close both eyes and use a suitable sharp object such as a pin. Ask patient to report whether the stimulus is dull or sharp.
Sharp. Sharp. Sharp.
Now test for light touch using a fine wisp of cotton.
Open eye.
Ask patient whenever you touch the skin.
Close eye. Yes. 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 Yes.
Now test for corneal reflex. Ask patient to look up and away from you and approach the opposite side patient's vision line. Use a fine wisp of cotton. Inspect for blinking both eyes to this stimulus. Now cranial nerve 7. Now we are going to check for facial nerve. Inspect the face both at rest and during contraction. Note any asymmetry. Ask patient to raise both eyebrows, frown, close both eyes tightly so you can test muscle strength. Close both, show both lower and upper teeth. Both lower and upper teeth. Smile.
That's right.
Puff out both cheeks. Now we are going to examine the cranial nerve 8. We are examined for acoustic and vestibular nerve. Assess hearing by whispered voice test.
एक दो तीन चार एक दो तीन
If any hearing loss, test for air and bone conduction using Rhine test and lateralization using for Weber test.
Head. Here we go. Upside. Head. Yes, head. Close it. Ear. Yes.
Now cranial nerve 9 and 10. Now we are going to examine the glossopharyngeal and vagus nerve. Listen the patient voice. Is it hoarse or it is nasal quality?
Yatinder Khatana.
Ask the patient to say a or yawn
A.
as you watch the movements of soft palate and pharynx. Check symmetry of uvula that divides from middle line because of lesion in 9 or 10. Cranial nerve 11. Now we are going to check spinal accessory nerve. It supplies trapezius and sternocleidomastoid muscle. Ask the patient to shrug both shoulders. Upward against your hand. Note strength and contraction of trapezius. Now ask patient to turn his head to each side against your hand. Observe the opposite sternocleidomastoid muscle strength and contraction. Now the cranial nerve 12. Now we are going to check hypoglossal nerve. Listen to articulation of patient words. This depend on cranial nerves 5, 7, 9, 10 and 12.
दो तीन पाँच छः राम आम.
Inspect patient's tongue. Look for atrophy. Ask patient to move tongue side by side and note the symmetry of movement.
Out.